Hello everyone. Welcome to Leo English Center. Today, we will continue to learn about unity and coherence in a paragraph. Unity within a paragraph. Effective writing must have unity. A paragraph has unity when all the sentences support one single idea. The paragraph must have one controlling idea in the topic sentence. Otherwise, the paragraph loses focus. The supporting sentences must support, demonstrate, prove, or develop the main idea in the topic sentence. If they do not, they will be irrelevant or off-topic and destroy the unity of the paragraph. The concluding sentence should restate the idea in the topic sentence to reinforce the main idea for the reader. Coherence in a paragraph means that the ideas have a logical flow, the relationship between the sentences is clear, and one idea connects to the next. One way to achieve coherence in a paragraph is to use a pattern of organization, such as time order, spatial order, or order of importance. To use time order, tell what happened first, next, and last. Spatial order is useful for describing items from top to bottom or from side to side. Paragraphs organized by order of importance might give the most important ideas first or leave them for last.